Hola. Oh. Oh. Hola. My name is Un Camino. This is my friend. She owns a sled business. I want to buy sled. How much is sled? Brooksmithsky?
10 coins.
I have no coins with me today. Can I have for free?
No.
Please! No, I'm not allowed to show hair in public. It's against my religion.
That's unfortunate.
May I have sled for free?
I said no.
Please?
No.
Let's go get Brady Kanuki. Kanuki. Go.
Oh.
Give me sled. Me want to play sled.
Okay, I said no. Oh, there goes the water.